Are you looking for the best beach lounge chair in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best beach lounge chair that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Pacific Breeze Beach Lounge Chair. This Pacific Breeze product is a beach chair with an eye-catching and unique color scheme. It is this colorful and creative appearance that is one of the main reasons that the chair attracts the attention and excitement of many customers. Plus, the special structure supports the product to maximize its stability on different terrain surfaces. Not only that, but it is also quite compact and light if you fold it. This saves you a considerable amount of time and effort every time you move the chair to the desired position. In particular, the smooth cushioning will definitely give you wonderful moments of relaxation every time you lean back. Nonetheless, the joints need to be improved. At number 4, Rio Beach Portable Folding Backpack Beach Lounge Chair. This beach lounge chair from the Rio brand attracts a lot of attention from consumers thanks to its lightweight and convenience to carry it with you anywhere. Equally important, the strap of the product is adjustable, so you can carry it behind your back like a universal backpack. From there, transporting this chair in each of your travels is no longer a difficult issue. Moreover, the product possesses a high-grade and durable stainless steel frame to withstand considerable force. Therefore, it will not warp at all even under heavy load. Plus, the tough and sturdy materials ensure that it will accompany your travels efficiently from year to year. On top of that, it is described as one of the most ideal solutions for camping on the beach because its premium materials provide maximum support for quick drying. However, it is slightly bulky. At number 3, Wekapo Inflatable Air Sofa Ideal Couch Beach Portable Lounge Chair. This fancy purple item is a unique beach chair made by Wekapo. It is easy to inflate without the need for the intervention of heavy equipment and machinery. All you need to do is blow into it and then feel free to use it. On top of that, its design is relatively ergonomic so that the muscles in different areas of your body like the shoulders, nape, neck, and back are released. From there, your aches and pains will be significantly reduced. Not only that, but the product's structure also assists you in lying down in all positions. Therefore, this item is described as an ideal and special solution for you to lie down after a long stressful and tiring day of work. In particular, the fabric of the product has great sun protection so it will not be harmed if you use it as a couch to lie in the sun. Nonetheless, you will have to take time to inflate it completely. At number 2, Ostrich Chaise Red Lounge Beach Chair. This Ostrich brand beach chair is capable of assisting you to relax and rest in the most comfortable way whether you lie on your back or tummy. Therefore, this item is described as a useful companion to serve you with different uses such as sunbathing, lying down reading, or lying down listening to music. And yet, the product comes with a strap for you to feel convenient and handy to easily move it as you like. Equally important, its luxurious red color makes your resting area eye-catching and striking. You can turn this beach chair into a unique and creative gift to give to a friend or loved one on special occasions. In particular, it is composed of a sturdy frame and durable materials to accompany your outdoor outings for a long time. The downside is that its design is a bit monotonous. At number 1, Best Choice Gravity Lounge Black Adjustable Zero Patio Beach Pool Chair. This beach chair from Best Choice is a refined and elegant black product. It will definitely make your camping area eye-catching and enjoyable. In particular, you can comfortably adjust the chair angles in an optimal way to fit the position you desire without any difficulty. This is recommended as one of the ideal and useful alternatives to other traditional chairs whenever you go outdoors such as camping, picnicking, going to the beach, or hiking with your family and friends. After each use, you just easily fold it up and store it in any area of your home without worrying about taking up too much space. Plus, it is described as being quite lightweight so you won't have any trouble taking it with you anywhere. Not only that, but the product also possesses a solid structure and excellent stability for good loads. As a result, it will not deform or warp regardless of the load. However, it is relatively bulky to move around. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.